Hello guys, so today I'm gonna tell you something about liqui product. So pretty much those are engine based. This is a hydraulic lifter additive, this is anti-friction, and this is Ceratec. Three of them pretty much works the same. They help the engine to run nicely, and this is engine flash. So this is also very good. Before you use them, you can use this one. So when you are changing the oil, use this one, and you just add this with your engine oil and idle for 20 minutes and then change the oil, and it cleans the engine system. So I'm not going to talk about this one today, but the Ceratec anti-friction and lifter additive, this one helps lifting stuff, and this one does not this one does help not getting friction with any metal to metal, and this one also helps almost like the same, and I'll show them today. So this is hydraulic lifter additive. Alright, so this is hydraulic lifter additive. I'll add this. It's like a soybean oil. Okay, and this is anti-friction. And this is Ceratec. Let me add this with water. This just mixed up. Definitely feels good. It's almost works like this one, which is a lifter additive. And now we are gonna check this one. All right. This came out also on top. Three of them are pretty good. I would recommend you can use any of them, does not matter. And let's try with some engine oil. So I'm adding some Valvoline engine oil, which is 5W20. All right. With engine oil, I see this Ceratec went down, it's not coming on top. Okay. But if you say which one is the best, I'd say use the hydraulic lifter additive or this one, anti-friction. This one is cheaper, I bought it from Amazon. This is like $12 and this is like almost 20 plus. So use any of these if you have a loud engine or any friction in the engine, and this helps to run smooth. And the engine is your life of your car, so you want to take care of it. And I'll use them on my engine on every oil change. Just use any one of them. It's good that you use it because so many people change the oil, but they don't care about how much they're putting on your engine. You know, if you put one of them, this helps your engine run good. You know, so many people change oil, they don't really care. But if you love your car, then use any of them. But this one is good. Use that one, MOS2 anti-friction. Thank you so much for patiently watching my video. And don't forget to use engine flush. Just pour it before you change the oil, idle for 20 minutes or run 1 or 2 blocks and change your oil. This cleans and this helps afterward, after you changing the oil. Use it anytime before you after the oil change. And thank you so much. Have a great day.